Hello friends, welcome to Mind 7K online hypnosis program. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Do you think hypnosis means looking at someone and saying, "Go to sleep and recharge my phone"? If you thought that, then don't worry, you are not alone. The truth is, hypnosis is neither a black magic nor a shortcut to control someone. It is actually a scientific technique that works with your subconscious mind. And that's exactly what we are going to understand in a very simple way in this program. What hypnosis really is and how it works on subconscious mind. And then step by step we will move forward into self-hypnosis, working on yourself, clinical hypnotherapy, working on others, stage hypnosis, it's a little bit entertainment too, past life regression, it's mysterious but very interesting. This is not a boring lecture series where you just keep listening. Here you will get real practical demonstration and step-by-step technique. You would not just understand, you will actually be able to do it. But remember one thing, this is not a kind of course where you watch two videos and tell someone you are now a cat and start meowing. Hypnosis is a skill, and like any other skill, it requires a practice. If you follow this course step by step, then you can learn very easily hypnosis techniques and actually start practicing in real life. So let's begin. A little serious, a little interesting, a little fun. A journey into your subconscious mind. In Hindi, hypnosis is called sammohan, but problem is this. People often confuse it with mind control or vashikaran. They think the moment you hypnotize someone, the person will say, "Okay, tell me what to do, I will do anything." But let's be clear, sammohan hypnosis, mind control vashikaran is a different concept. It helps in problem resolutions, such as assisting in overcoming bad habits, alleviating pain, providing relief from sleep-related disorders, enhancement of mental state, such as eliminating negative persistent thought patterns, and boosting self-confidence. And when hypnosis is used for healing, it is called hypnotherapy. What is hypnosis actually? Hypnosis is a semi-conscious state of mind. That means person is not fully asleep and not fully awake either. It's a state somewhere in between. You can think of it as a deep, relaxed, artificial sleep-like state. In this state, we temporarily divert the conscious mind and directly communicate with subconscious mind. Then we provide suggestions, instructions, positive mental programming. Here another interesting myth. Some people believe that before learning hypnosis, you must stare a candle for 20 to 30 days. The reality is, the hypnosis has no direct connection with Tratak. Hypnosis is a mainly game of word and communication. Let's be honest, if staring a candle could you make a hypnotist, then power cuts would create thousands of experts. Learning hypnosis is not a very difficult, but yes, practice is extremely important. If you practice with 10 to 20 people, then you can become a confident hypnotist. Remember, learning is a small step, but practice is a real game. In hypnosis, semi-conscious mind of state is called trance state. Now again, people can get confused here. They think that trance means losing consciousness or fainting, but that is not true. During a trance, person can hear everything and understand everything. If they could not hear you, then how they would follow your suggestions? So yes, awareness is still present. In trance experience, some people may feel their body is becoming heavy, difficult to open eyes, deep relaxation. But one thing is important, every person experiences hypnosis differently. Many people fail to enter trance because of wrong expectation. For example, I saw a violet light during hypnosis and the next person also expects the same, and when nothing appears then they say, "I don't think hypnosis worked on me." But truth is every mind is different and every experience is unique. So don't keep expectation. Now you understand hypnosis is not a black magic. In next video we will explore hypnosis in more detail. Until then, keep your mind relaxed and your curiosity active. Thanks for watching this video.